saying hello to the neighbours. Everybody's getting in on it. Got enough smoke? Come on. Hello everybody. In 2 days time, it'll be 2 years since I came off Clancy and broke my neck. Well, Doc just came and saw me, said, looks like I may have a broken neck. Dutchy and I, it's 18 months since his feet and injuries are coming together. 2 years since I've been on a horse. In 2 days time, the anniversary of my accident. At this stage I'm intending to get back up on this fella, 17 two hands, and overcome the little bit of fear that I have in getting back on. But we're going to try, I think. In the meantime, just doing a bit of groundwork with the boy. He hasn't been ridden for about 3 years. Have ya? Say, have ya? So, hopefully the gear won't break this time. So we'll catch up with you when I'm getting up on the saddle here.